following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. I'm Sheriff Jim McDonald speaking to you from the Los Angeles County Emergency Operations Center, where we manage responses to major emergencies. Many broadcasters have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what is happening during an emergency and what you need to do. When you hear or receive a real EAS warning or alert via broadcasts like this, phone, text, or email, you should immediately tune to one of those local radio or TV stations for more on what you need to do to protect your life and property. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.